closer and closer, and then she started to roll over and present. You could see she was trusting us because she was unrolling it and showing us the hooks. I went for a few dives down just to see how she'd react to us being close to her.
Jake went down again and again and again, and the animal didn't move away because I think the manta knew that Jake was trying to get the hooks out.
I went down again just one last time just to say goodbye, and she actually stopped and just waited there.
She understands what's just happened. Again and again, attempt after attempt. It was brilliant. That's one of the best things I've ever seen underwater.
I'll get that little piece of dendra.